What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You probably clicked on this video because you love my channel and you just had to see what I had, or you have a Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus and you needed a leather wallet case. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I have two leather wallet cases from FYY, and these are premium leather wallet cases straight from Germany. But without any further ado, let's unbox them and see what it's all about. First and foremost, I got excited with the first one, so I already opened it. This is for the Galaxy S10 and this is for the S10 Plus. So let's go ahead and look at this one right here. This is a blue leather wallet case, and to be honest, it looks really good. And at first glance, I was like, all right, this is just a simple wallet case. The packaging was amazing, and also we even get like this letter inside, which is a good touch. Also, the leather has a really weird smell to it, and I was wondering what was that smell, but I'll talk about that later. So I get this really nice like letter from them telling us thank you and what we could do. You know, we could go to Amazon and review if anything. Opening it up, we have a magnetic strap at the side, and as I said before, it had this weird smell. So I was like, what's this weird smell, you know? But basically, they even told us in the packaging that, I don't know if you guys could see it, but it basically says the smell of leather is normal after being processed. No worry about it. The smell will disappear after 3 to 5 days within daily use, you know, and if you have any issues, you could contact them. Now, so if you have the card inside, you could have at least 3 cards. It's easy to take out a card, and you're supposed to be able to push with your finger to push it out, but I don't know why it's not working right now. Probably it's because the leather is new. So let's go ahead and put my Galaxy S10 in here. Simple to put them in. Looks really nice. The fit is amazing. You could add more stuff inside here. So if you have cash, you could put some cash in here, or even more cards, you know. So if you have like a $20 bill, you could just go ahead and put a $20 bill in here. You could literally put anything you want in it, fold, and then we have that really nice premium leather feel. Next up, let's look at the other one that we have, and I think this is for the Galaxy S10 Plus. I haven't looked at it yet. So this is what, yeah, this is the S10 Plus. It's a black leather case. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Right. And of course, I love unboxing new products every day. Shout out to FYY for sending these out for free. Amazing products, straight from Germany as well. I'll have all the links down below for you guys. So this is the box, same box as usual since 1998. This thing was made before I was even born. Alright, so this is the black leather case, same packaging that we would expect, so I won't go into that too much. But yeah, alright, so this time we have some installed cards to let us know, like, okay, you put your cards there. We still have that leather smell warning, and look at this. The fur is really good, quality is amazing. Still have that card slot. It's just a different color. Let me do the smell test. Smells like premium leather. Also, guys, another cool feature about this case, I don't know if they purposely did this, but you could kind of use it as a kickstand, you know? So you could just put the phone down like this. You could watch videos, you know? It's really nice that you could do that. I wish most phone case companies would allow us to do that, and simply just fold it down just like this. When it's closed, we could still access our power button. At the side, we could still press the buttons through the case if you're that cool, or you could just open it and reach the case. We have space around here, and yeah, the overall quality and design is amazing. So if you're someone who doesn't want to bring around your wallet, you could just literally empty out everything from your wallet into the case. So putting in the cards and taking out cards isn't hard. It's really easy to put in and take out cards in this case. You could add up to, like as I said before, you could add up to 3 cards. So you could put 2 debit cards, your bus pass. That's all you might need. And if you're someone that don't always have cash, you don't really bring cash around that much, you could even put your driver's license like in the part where you'd put your cash. So you could just put your driver's license in there, and closing it adds a little bump. So you can see that it's really hard to close. So I'd recommend you to add just like 3 cards. Let's remove this and see what happens. You can see that it's way easier to close. And the good thing about it is the flap is magnetic. So if it's bulky and you can't close it, thank God we have the magnetic strap that would keep it shut down and secure, because you don't want to lose your cards. So yeah, it's a 10 out of 10 from me. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think about the FYY cases for the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. For me personally, I love him. I'll drop a link down below for you guys to check out. And yeah, as always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.